Hello guys, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Omegle account. But before we start with that video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and dive into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, simply just go to your mobile's browser. So Omegle is basically an app where it allows you to chat and video calls with the person that you have same interest on in this bigger audience platform. So as you can see, you technically don't need an account for you to access Omegle. You just have to go to your phone's browser or the desktop's browser. Simply go ahead, type in omegle.com. You will simply be able to land on this kind of interface where you can simply go ahead and start a chat. Simply tap on the start a chat and chat with the person that you have same interest on. Add in your interest, so you will find that kind of person there. Or you can simply go ahead, tap on video and get connected with the strangers and simply just go ahead and chat it out. So yeah, in Omegle, this Omegle does not actually requires you to enter your information, enter your account details, and just keep it there. So you don't have to actually create an account. That means you do not actually have to, you can't actually delete your account as well. You can simply stop going to this website and you will be able to take a break from this Omegle. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.